Okay, Nike. A lot of people may not like these, honestly, but I think y'all did your thing with these for real. I'm not entirely crazy, but these are clean. These are absolutely clean. Oh, and because I don't have the 2020 pair, I like these a lot. Let's take a look at them together. Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is your boy, it is your kid, Neff. I hope you guys are having a great day, and I hope you're having a very, very blessed day. Now, in today's video, as you can tell from the title, as you can tell from the intro, I'm bringing y'all another sneaker review, and actually I'm bringing y'all an early sneaker review on a pair of Dunks that actually do not come out until March 8th, 2023. From what I've seen, they've already been released in other spots, but for the initial release date is March 8th. Like I said, these are a Dunk Low, and I like these because they're inspired off of a dunk we've gotten back in the past, which is the Nike Dunk Low Brazil. So today, without further ado, we're gonna be taking a look at the Nike Dunk Low in the reverse Brazil colorway. And like I said, these are inspired off of the Brazil Dunks, which came out in 2020. And from what I've seen, these actually are very interesting because the colors are basically like inverted. So without further ado, we're not gonna waste any more time. Let's take a look at these babies together. Let's go. However, first and foremost, before we take a look at these Nike Dunk Low reverse Brazils, I do want to say thank you guys so much for the love and support that you have been showing. The channel has hit 2,500 subscribers, and we are slowly but surely making our way to that 3,000 mark of subscribers. I just really want you to know the support and everything that you guys do for me and the channel is greatly appreciated. To the comments, to the advice, like, I really just want you to know I am very much appreciative, so much. If this is your first time tapping into any of my channel or seeing any of my videos, thank you so much. Hit that subscribe button. That way, anytime your kid uploads any video, you can be the first in the alert to notify to check out any videos that I drop for you guys. Also, as well, I like to be color coordinated with the product that I'm reviewing. Like I said, these are the Nike Dunk Low reverse Brazils that we're going to be reviewing. The colorway for this is going to be green and yellow, so I have a green headband. I'm going to throw this on right now, and let's dive into these babies together. Let's go. All right, and boom, we got our green headband to go perfect with these Dunks, so let's take a look at them together. So right here, I'm gonna go ahead and read the size description. Actually, before I do that, no, I'm getting ahead of myself. Let me show you guys the front of the box. So these come in your standard regular Nike Dunk box. You have your all red with your Nike text right here. Same on your front and on the sides as well. We got a size description right there, which I'm gonna go straight in reading. I also went ahead, if you're wondering, how did I get these early? There was a sneaker event in my my local area. I was able to go ahead and go there, and they had like a different boutiques that were around as well, different vendors, people that were selling, and the guy that I was able to go ahead and buy these from, super cool, worked out a great deal, and I was able to get these, and whew, man, I'm happy I was able to get that deal for real. So starting off with the size description, we have the Nike Dunk Low Retro BTTYS. Don't know exactly what that stands for, but it's actually kind of interesting. But the size does also read as 10.5. If you've never owned a pair of Nike Dunk Lows before, go true to size. And if you do want a snugger fit, then go a half size down. These go apple, green, yellow strike, and the SKU code on it is going to be DV0833300. Just those that are interested in it, if you want to go ahead and look it up like a secondary market to get these early. Check it out right there. And from what I've seen too, if you go over on like on Go and StockX, and I'll probably drop the link down below so you guys can check that out as well, but these are actually going for a little bit like under like 130, and depending on the size that you get. So check these out if you are interested. So okay, we're gonna go ahead and actually give you guys a better perspective. Let's go ahead and pop the top right here. 3, 2, 1. We do go ahead and have your regular tissue paper, nothing crazy that comes with it. Let's go ahead and pull it. 3, 2, 1. Here we go right there. We got the left. And man, as you can see, man, the reverse Brazils. Reverse Brazils. Now the question is, before I go ahead and even say this question though, we're gonna go into take a look at this, but are these better than the original ones that came out in 2020? So let's go ahead. This is the right pair as well. I'm gonna put everything down for us, and then I'm gonna go ahead and take a look at it right now. Let's get it. Okay, boom, so here we go right here. This is the Nike Dunk Low with the reverse Brazil. This is the left, this is the right. And man, these are nice. These are nice. I was never able to get the 2020 Brazils that dropped. I wanted them so bad, and now the price point's like super high that I even more than what I want to pay. But these are nice. Are they better than the originals? I don't know, but let's go ahead and see which ones are we gonna go ahead and review. Left, right, left, right. I think I gotta go with the right. The right one that's speaking. So let's take a look at it. Starting with the outsole, you get an all green outsole right there, kind of like that apple green or that Brazil green color right there. You do have the Nike logo right there in the middle, like all your dunks come with. You have a nice all white midsole that goes all the way around the sneaker, and then you do have your hits of your yellow. Click on the toe box, it's green, and then you have your swoosh, which is yellow. And then coming back to the back, you do have your Nike logo right there, which is in green. And then the sock liner right here is all done in green as well. So basically these are just from the Brazils versus these, they're just inverted. And I think it's really cool because Nike's been doing that with a lot of their dunks in the past that we've actually been receiving, which I like that a lot. We got the, what was it? The Nike Dunk Low. We got the white and the blue, and then we got the red and the white, but they just inverted it. I'll actually post a picture so you guys know like what he's talking about. So then looking at the tongue right here, you have all green tongue, and you do have your tag right here, which is in yellow, and then you do have your green logo right there. Taking out the shoe tree, hope you guys can see you have all green shoe tree in there, excuse me, insole right there, and then you do have a Nike logo, which is done in that yellow color right there, so you can see it the best you can. And then you got yellow laces. I think it would have been cool if they came with green laces, but you know what? Yellow's a nice touch too because it kind of goes with the other hits of yellow right there. We do have kind of some, oh man, look at that glue stain right there. Hold on. Not too bad, not too bad. But yeah, these are them right there. The Nike Dunk Low in the reverse Brazil colorway. I do like these. Now, I'll be honest, the question that we're coming back to, do I like these more than the regular Brazils? No, I just feel like those are really just, wow, those are just so beautiful, but these are nice too. Like I said, retail price is going to be, or I didn't say it, but I'm saying it now. Retail price for these is going to be $110. And certain spots these have already released, but the release date from what I'm seeing like globally is going to be March 8th. I think you'll start seeing this over on Sneakers App on the 8th. They're not loaded up yet, but like I said, once we get closer to the release, you will go ahead and see that. But guys, let me know what you think about them before I go ahead and actually give you an on-feet review. I am gonna go ahead and pan to give you guys a closer perspective because, you know, if you are in the decision of purchasing these, that's why I make these reviews, so you can decide if you're gonna make them or not. So let's take a closer look together. Let's check it out. So as we take a closer look, take a look at all of the inverted colors. Look at the yellowing, look at the green, look at the green outsole. You got the white midsole. You even have your green tongue. I like these a lot. Like I said, I really wish they would have went ahead and went with a green lace, but the yellow hits a little bit better just because now that I'm actually looking at it, just because of the brightness of yellow that they have in the different places. But what do you guys think about it? Look at the front, look at the back. Is this something that you will be going for? I hope Nike go ahead and rolls out more colorways like this, or if they could go ahead and maybe do more of the original colors that they kind of gave us in the past. I would say that the quality on this looks a little bit different than the original Brazils that came out. I prefer the quality on those than these, but these are still nice. In terms of how I feel they're gonna do, I think this will do good. I feel like maybe on release, they'll go up in price a little bit, but I don't feel like they're gonna break. I'll be surprised if these things rent like $260. Maybe over time they will. I'll be surprised if they break $260. But like I said, if you go over to the secondary markets right now, go StockX. I'll drop the link down below. You can see it. You'll be able to go ahead and get these for a reasonable price if you are interested. So, yep, let me know what you think about the reverse Brazils now. All right, y'all, so this is the Nike Dunk Low in the reverse Brazil colorway. Let me know what you think. I'm gonna go ahead and cut away to an on-feet review. I appreciate you guys so much for tapping into the channel, checking out the channel. It greatly means a lot. Hey, I've been trying to get better with the consistency. I really have. I just been busy, man. I really just been so busy. I try to drop like shorts. I try to keep you guys up to date on Instagram. I recently, if you haven't checked it out, go check it out. I dropped a short over on the my favorite sneakers for the upcoming month for March. Well, we're actually in March, but go check that out. And it was pretty entertaining when I made it. So I try to do a little bit of everything. I try not to give you guys just the same content all the time. I really try to change it up. But so just bear with me. Appreciate you guys though, seriously, for 2,500 subscribers. That's like, honestly, that's a crazy milestone for me. Like I said, we're gonna go ahead and build up to 3K, and then, you know, what's for us is for us, and what's not is not. Well, like always, guys, I really do appreciate all the love and support that you guys show. For real, remember, this has been your boy, this has been your kid. Remember, there's only ever gonna be one you, so be the best you. And until next time, it's your boy, it's your kid. These are the reverse Brazils, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.